Welcome. Today in this video, we will talk about the types and service models of cloud computing. In our previous video, we have explained what cloud computing is and its benefits, which you can watch on the link mentioned. Now, let's walk further into the topic to understand its types and models. Cloud computing is the on-demand IT resources delivered over the internet. The businesses that offer this computing assistance are called cloud service providers. There are three types of cloud deployment models that vary based on their implementation types, hosting type, and who has access to it. The types are public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. Public cloud, the whole computing infrastructure, is discovered on the premises of the CSP that offers cloud services over the internet and is the most reasonable alternative for those individuals or organizations that do not want to invest in IT infrastructure. Private cloud, companies that select private cloud gets dedicated infrastructure that is not distributed by any other company. The security and control point is outstanding while utilizing a private network. Hybrid cloud, this cloud deployment criterion comprises the aspects of public cloud and private cloud. Hybrid cloud enables the sharing of data and applications between public and private cloud environments. Now let's understand the services models. Cloud computing assistance falls into three main categories: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Infrastructure as a service. It includes the most fundamental building blocks for cloud infrastructure and delivers services on tops of it, such as leasing IT infrastructure, virtual or physical, and networking aspects. Platform as a service. This refers to the allotment of on-demand tools for formulating, testing, delivering, and managing software applications. Software as a service. It is a technique for providing on-demand software applications via cloud on a subscription basis. A CSP takes supervision of organizing the cloud infrastructure and delivers SaaS applications over the internet to a user. We hope you understand the types and services models of cloud computing.